Good morning and welcome to another video on the Essex Charity FC YouTube channel. Today we are encountering our first proper away day as we travel up to Birmingham to take on our very good friend Nightingale FC. Let's go! Toilet break for the boys. And we have arrived. Woo. Armstrong still going. Oh, referee's giving a penalty for that one. Could be a tackle made by Rich right there, penalty away. It's Chris Armstrong up to take a penalty for Essex. Doesn't like the referee back for a card. Penalty taken and it's scored by the number 10 Chris Armstrong. It's a great ball. Beaten Spencer, Jace! And it's an equaliser for Nightingale. The captain leading by example. That is a great and that, wow, huge error from the Essex Charity captain. Nightingale gifted a goal from the Nightingale keeper. Beautiful touch from the number 11. Now Jace to that deadly number 22. Balls across, and it's ended up in the back of the net. Jace just gets enough on it. And Nightingale now 3-1 lead. Second goal for the Nightingale captain, Jace. Kev does well to beat his man. All through. It's Michael Brothers. He's going to try and get the shot away. He does! That's a belter of a shot! Essex running out of time to find an equaliser. 4 minutes of normal time to play. Assembled by the Nightingale keeper. It's going to be Balak with a free kick. What a goal! Unbelievable free kick. And that is the equaliser. Essex have been desperate. And it's that deadly number 22. Good tackle from Spencer. Does enough to dispossess him. It's a Nightingale number 7. And just like that, Nightingale take the lead again. Fantastic shot. And the ball's not, the score, there we go. The score is not level for long. Nightingale take the lead once again. Nightingale 4, Essex Charity 3. I told you what a game we are having here. And that is that. The scoreline might not have gone in our favour, finishing Nightingale 4, Essex Charity 3. But we had an amazing day up in Birmingham with our good friends over at Nightingale. And that is the end of this video as well. So make sure you like the video, click that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on to make sure you don't miss any uploads. And we will see you next time right here on the Essex Charity YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.